Good morning, guys, and welcome to the Camp Financial Stock Market Update. So, the weekend is now behind us after the election last week, and look this morning, and markets are still expecting a continuation of what we saw throughout last week, and are looking like we're going to start off about another 0.5% up today when the market's open. So it's going to be an interesting day to see what all goes on. But I can tell you, right now what we're looking at is a market that, well, it just wants to go higher. So the bonds have definitely sold off. Bond yields have been shooting up. Right now we're looking at the 10-year yield is up to 2.25, up from about 1.6 I think it was earlier this year at one point in time. So it's a very interesting market. I'm still primarily focused in the financials. With yields going up, they're gonna perform the best. So yeah, that's kind of what we're looking at right now. I will say, let me take a look. So I did sell my shares of Sunoco on Friday. Company's just gotten blitzed. Since I bought in April, it ran up a couple dollars a share and then has just cratered since then. Did collect a couple dividends along the way, so not altogether terrible, but I guess that's the benefit of being diversified. Having several companies that I invest in with that system is that even though that one is down pretty bad, the other stocks have more than made up for that one, for Sunoco getting beat up. So again, like I said, we're expecting the market to take off again a little bit today, shoot higher. Let's look at Friday's results of healthcare and basic materials. Performed pretty poorly. My guess is healthcare was down primarily on one was that Trump kind of backed away from his Obamacare statement that he made during the campaign. And two is, realistically, people had to have been taking some profits with healthcare sector being up almost 10%, and a lot of those companies, I'm sure there was a lot of profit taking as well. So also, not performing very well. The basic materials sector, utilities was pretty flat, which was different. Disney, driving, and the entertainment services section, the auto manufacturers got a little boost, and then there's quite a bit of green in different spots in the technology sector too. A lot of that has to do with earnings. Nvidia just absolutely crushed, up 30% on Friday. So there's a pretty wide spectrum. It's all about, again, you kind of pick and choose, find spots where you're looking to invest, looking to get a little bit of an edge. Those ones have had an edge, and it's going up from here. So yeah, I'll take a look as well real quick. So I had I know SeaWorld, I don't think Unum hit a high on Friday. It may have. Other stocks that hit highs Friday for me was MetLife, Bank of America I know did as well, and I'm not sure. I don't think American Airlines, I think it hit it on Thursday. But yeah, so quite a few stocks hitting highs. Sunoco is the only one that cratered out, and we got rid of that. Everything else is traded either pretty much flat or up. So we'll continue to hold on to our holdings and see if we can't make some more profits here in the well, short term and long term. So that's it for today, guys. Take care, and we will see you next time.